Imagine walking into a Honda showroom and instead of selling you a Civic, they sold you an engine and you had to build your own car. What we are very focused on is helping the business move very quickly by giving you an integrated all-in-one platform. That's kind of one persona, right? Which is very focused on the business side of things, on moving quicker. And we're also, built on open source technology. I think there's a big debate happening in the AI world, which is really who owns your data. With SAP and Salesforce, which are extremely widely used, it's becoming clear that they've taken the stance that they own your data, that you can't get your data out of SAP without paying them for it. On the other hand, you have some of the modern companies built on modern data warehouses, which talk about having your data owned by you. So the other point of what we really focus on is we're built on open source technologies. We can run in the cloud, we can run on your cloud, what we call private cloud, as well as we can run on-prem. So where security, compliance, data sovereignty are a big issue for regulated industries, finance, government, healthcare, that's another large area for us in giving these companies flexibility and being able to run our platform on top of their data instead of the other way around.
And you mentioned you'd been helping large companies manage their data. Is that kind of where you got the idea to start this company 4 years ago? Like, you were sick of using the tools available, or what was the reason for starting it?
I think very often in New York and San Francisco, we live, there's an assumption that every company is really taking advantage of data and every company is in the AI world today. But the reality is very different from that. You know, AI and data are very much a San Francisco and New York, you know, more Western, you know, in, tech first businesses. If you really look at traditional businesses, think about banking, manufacturing, retail, education, government, healthcare, anything which is not pure tech, right? Or like digital native, what we call, they're very far away from, investing. These companies have bought SAP in the last 10 years. They've bought Salesforce in the last 10 years. What they're now dealing with is different data sources, data silos, data quality issues.